Let us add some complexity to our previous program. For the same program wherein we read and displayed the marks of 3 students in 6 different subjects, now we are going to add another feature to it. Now the program prints the marks of the students and their total score in the form of a table. Most of the things remain the same in the previous program. For instance, the way in which we read the marks of the students and then the way in which we print the marks of the students. Some additions to this program are, we have to add a variable called as total, which is going to compute the total marks of the student. Inside the I loop, just before I read the marks of a particular student, I initialize the value of total to 0. I'm going to reset the value of total for each student and then go on adding the marks of that particular student. So inside the I loop, I'm going to reset the value of total to 0. Then inside the J loop, as previously planned, first I'm going to print the marks of the student. As already written over here, I'm going to print the marks of the student. Then I also need, along with this, I also need to update the marks of total. So I'll write total equals to previous marks of total. Whatever marks was there till now, to that I'm going to add marks of I, J. So initially the value of total will be 0 for a particular student. As soon as I read the first column marks, I'm going to add 0 plus the first column marks. That will become the new value of total. During the next iteration of the for loop, we read the second column marks, that is J equals to 1. So that second column marks will be added to the previously computed total. This is how we are going to compute the value of total for all the subjects for a particular student. Once we compute the total for all the subjects, the last step is to print the value of total. So just to make it clear, let us just put an indication at the end. So triple equals to, this is all the changes I had to make to the previous program. Whenever you want to keep track of something, make sure you have a separate variable for that. In this case, I want to keep track of the total score of each student. So I've created a new variable total. For each student, I have reset the value of total to 0. I want a fresh total to be calculated for every student. And when I am iterating over the marks of a student, I am going to add the marks to the value of total to get the total marks of the student. Finally, I am going to print the value of the total before I go forward to the next student in the list. Let me go ahead and execute this program. Now let me enter the marks of all the 3 students one by one. For student 1, same way for student 2 and student 3. After I enter all the details, finally I get the details of the students as well as their total marks printed on the screen.